Julissa, can you tell us about the next app that we'll be talking about?
Yeah, sure. Up next, we have a fun and creative comic book maker app called KOMiKFi, an app where users can upload different images and make a comic book out of them.
Hello, and thank you for joining us here today. My name is Sarah, and these are my teammates Yuanhao and Gita, and we are the team behind KOMiKFi. KOMiKFi is a mobile app which allows users to create their own comic story. The user can upload images from their phone, add speech bubbles with text and filters to their image, and finally save their comic back to their camera roll. Let's walk through our app. Once upon a time, Circle stumbled upon a picture of ice cream. Circle knew she wanted to create a comic sharing her love with ice cream that she could share with her friends and family. Upon opening her favorite comic book app, Circle selected the layout with two images. First, Circle selected the image of ice cream from her camera roll. She added a speech bubble and had fun rotating it and moving it next to the ice cream. She then added text to make the ice cream talk. For her second image, Circle took a selfie. Once again, Circle added a speech bubble, but realized she didn't like it as much as anticipated, so she deleted it. She then had fun searching through all the filters and selecting the one that she liked best. Once Circle was satisfied with her app, her comic, she saved it back to her camera roll and sent it to her friends and family to enjoy.
Thanks, Sarah. Let's walk through what goes behind the photo editing process. So for the bubble, we use the React Native API called Pen Responder in order to detect our gestural movements. And then our algorithm converts the absolute position and the counts of each touch into a relative distance and the rotation, which then finally gets translated into the bubble position and scale and rotate Z properties. Let's take a look at our filter functionality. We use the GL React library, which allows us to create our own fragment shaders in a string in the JavaScript environment. So far we have created 3 different filters. The first one, we alter the saturation and the brightness of the picture. The second one, we apply a calculated grayscale across all the pixels on the image. And last but not least, we have a filter that can recognize the facial by setting up a threshold on the red color channel and apply a filter, a shadow, on all the pixels that did not pass the threshold in order to create a comic look. So once the filter is applied, then we conditionally render the filter components instead of the original image components.
Our stack is purely front-end. We developed in React Native on the Expo platform. We used GL React for image processing and React Native ViewShot to capture screenshot of the finished comic. We do all of the image processing as well as store images locally on the user's device, thus eliminating any privacy concerns for the user or the need to connect to the internet. So building this app was tremendous fun and learning experience. I couldn't have wished for better teammates than Yuanhao and Sarah. We are grateful for support and big shout out to our instructor Jess and project manager Nivette. Here they are. We invite everyone to check out our app. If you have an Android phone, you can download Expo Client and scan the QR code. Everyone else could go to GitHub, check out our code. Thank you so much for listening.
I'll definitely be using that app soon. This looks like such a fun app.